of what I wanted to do today, and I was like, oh, I could go shopping, but I think I'm just gonna go on a car ride.
What are you waiting for?
Is that a dog in a car? Hey, where'd you learn to drive? What?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
I'm so bored. I wish Ryan was here.
Hey guys!
Ryan!
I love my baby. I love my baby.
Hey man, can I have some beer? Dude, I just want a beer. Dude, I just want a beer, man!
When your human eats. PETA makes money off animal abuse.
I don't like taking those drugs. I prefer rubbing a pug. Everybody now.
It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock
J's on my feet, you know. J's on my feet. J's on my feet.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers.